the world of entertainment here. Well, this, of course, coming on a grim note. Gautami has announced a separation from actor Kamal Haasan after 13 years, ending their relationship there, calling it quits after 13 years. Our correspondent Lokpriya getting us those inputs. Lokpriya, what more can you get us on this?
Well, Gautami announced this decision on her blog today, where she has stated that it is heartbreaking for her to announce that she and Kamal Haasan are no longer together, and this separation comes after 13 long years. And she says that there are certain, it's never easy for anyone in a committed relationship to realize that their paths have irreversibly diverged, and their only choice in front of them are to either compromise with their dreams for life or to accept the truth. So this is a very painful moment for both these actors. They have acted together in various films, and she has also donned the role of costume designer for the recent Kamal Haasan movies. They have been living together in Chennai in Kamal Haasan's residence, and now after almost 13 years, they have called it quits. This has shocked the Kollywood industry here.
Right, of course, Lokpriya, you're saying this announcement haven't come in on her official Twitter platform, the Twitter handle wherein which is now. Have you gotten a word here from the actor Kamal Haasan on this?
Well, Kamal Haasan cannot be reached for his comment right now. In her blog, she also goes on to say that she will always admire Kamal Haasan as an actor and will cheer him for his monumental talent. And she also states that she has stood by Kamal Haasan through all his challenges, and she has learned a great deal from Kamal Haasan when it comes to designing on his films. And he says that she has been proud to have been associated with Kamal on a professional platform, and at this point in time she would want to be alone, and says that she's received so much of love and support from the people of Tamil Nadu for the past 29 years, and that is the reason why she has come out in open with this.
All right, Lokpriya, stay on with us. Also getting in further inputs, we have with us our entertainment correspondent Uday Pratap Singh on what this means here to both Gautami and Kamal Haasan fans with that separation coming in on an announcement on her blog post and her Twitter platform. Uday.
Well, absolutely. I'm afraid I couldn't really hear your questions here, but yes, it is, of course, sad news for Kamal Haasan fans with this news coming in. Kamal Haasan's partner, actress Gautami, announcing this separation actually in a blog post. Remember, this was the third long relationship of Kamal Haasan. He was earlier, of course, he's been married twice. His first marriage was to Vani Ganapati. His second, of course, was to well-known actress Sarika. His daughters, Shruti Haasan, Akshara, and one more daughter from a previous annulled marriage were living also with him and Gautami for all these years. Remember, it was almost a 13-year relationship that he had with actress Gautami, and that's why, of course, this is sad news indeed coming in with Gautami, of course, announcing this news of separation. Presumably, of course, well-known actresses now in Bollywood, Akshara and Shruti, would also be quite sad with this development.
Uday, thanks. Thanks for those updates, of course, coming in from Kollywood with the two calling it quits after 13 years there. In other news,